Here we have a restaurant cooked food list. This list has varieties of food delicacy. What we want to do is to automate it such that any available food is crossed out of the list, and if not yet available, it will still be on the list of food to cook. I'll select it, Control-A. Then I'll press Alt-H-L-N. This will take us to our formatting rules. I'll change this to icon set, change this to this, tick this, change this to number instead of percentage. I'll change this also to number. Change this to 1. Leave this at 0. Leave this the way it is. Change this to cross when it's 0, and this to no cell icon. Okay. This is just what we did, then press OK. So, if I put 1 here, it will mark it. If I put 0, it will cross it. So to now achieve our strike through such that once this is available, it crosses this, and when this is not available, we can still see it, so that provision can be made for it. What I'll do is select the food list again, press Alt-H-L, and select this, click my formula my. Inside the formula space, since I have my food list in column R, I will type equal R2 equal 1. Then change my format to strike through, then press OK. OK. So once this is 1, it's strike through, meaning it is available, and if this is 0, the item is still awaiting preparation, not yet available. Like so, etc. That's it.